the usually enigmatic Siddharth Malhotra, and he's going to tell me how he wakes up every day looking so handsome. Siddharth, पहले तो how often do you check yourself out in the mirror?
Well, I think in this profession तो आपको करना ही पड़ता है every day whenever we're shooting. It comes with part and parcel of the profession and हाँ I think आजकल ज़्यादा because actor बन गए.
और कितना टाइम लगता है रेडी होने में? Honestly.
रेडी होने में honestly सिर्फ 15 मिनट. I have a record seriously. The actors, the ADs, if anything, भाग के आ रहे हैं कि late हो रहे हैं कभी गलती से, तो I used to be ready in 15 minutes. I think we don't take much. All boys don't take any time. I think it's a myth that men take a long time to, at least on set. सिर्फ कपड़े और बाल.
No, this is actors usually when they take they don't.
मैं और वरुण हमेशा तैयार होते थे. Alia used to make us wait for half an hour. SOTY. It's that gruesome experience. पसीने में बाहर Bangkok, body बना के खड़े हैं. वो लड़की लेट आ रही है. Used to be like fully tortured.
अभी भी आप लोग.
Alia से.
She's going to soon be here. I'm going to quote you on this, Siddharth, कि आप अभी भी उसको नहीं छोड़ रहे बेचारी को. And she used to be on time, by the way. That's what she told me.
Well, I think इसका असली राज करण जौहर को पता है. The boss, not us. So he'll tell us.
Like we said, what are your preferred hairstyles? Obviously, men also, you don't have too much options. Obviously, since you like your hair, it's kind of short. So, आप usually क्या करते हैं, and how do you change your hairstyles according to occasion?
Well, I like it. I like to keep it casual, less product, slightly messy, अभी out of bed kind of look because मेरी ये length है एक picture के लिए. And hopefully I'll change this. I think film to film different होना चाहिए. तो हंसी तो बसी just got over. ये बाल उसमें थे. And I'm gonna get a new look for villain. We're gonna go maybe slightly more aggressive, shorter. We're still deciding. So yeah, hopefully you'll see a different look and not so similar of SOTY and हंसी तो बसी.
ठीक है, अगर आपको अपने फैंस को और द मेल फैंस को स्पेशली टिप्स देने हो वांट टू लुक एज कूल एज सिद्धार्थ, वो 3 चीज़ें क्या है जो उन्हें हमेशा याद रखना है?
Well, I think for men today, you could be in any profession. आपको ज़रूरी नहीं कि आप एक्टर बने या कोई मॉडल बने ग्रूमिंग के लिए. I think it's very important to be hygienic. Grooming your nails and foot, both pedicure and manicure is not so feminine to get done once in a while. I think it's cool, get good hair products which don't damage your hair. Dry na ho and take that extra minute to maybe come to a salon and get stuff for your skin if you have bad skin and everything else. I think it's quite cool, man. Finally, when I get it done, guys, come on.
That's how Siddharth Malhotra keeps himself looking so good.
मैं यहाँ से निकलता नहीं.
सिद्धार्थ, आप विलन करने वाले हैं एंड वी स्पोक टू मोहित अबाउट इट कि आपको ये जो कैरेक्टर है वो चाहते हैं कि वो सच में एक विलनस कैरेक्टर हो जो बॉलीवुड की हिस्ट्री में रहा है. वीव हैड अमरीश पुरी, वीव हैड दोस काइंड ऑफ विलन्स, तो ही वांट्स टू मेक दिस आइकॉनिक, जो कि बहुत ही बिग रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी होगा आपके लिए.
Correct. It's a very important film. It's a very different character. It's a very different film that I will done till now. I've only done 2 films, 2 ही picture करी सिर्फ. So yeah, a lot of responsibility. Mohit Suri wants to bring out the bad in me, and we just started work on it, and hopefully we'll have a good product by the end of the year.
श्रद्धा के साथ काम कर रहे हैं.
करेक्ट. श्रद्धा कपूर के साथ काम कर रहा हूँ पहली बारी. अभी तक सिर्फ वर्कशॉप्स करी उनके साथ. शी इज़ ऑलवेज स्माइली, शी इज़ क्वाइट कूल एंड शी हैज़ अ ग्रेट रैपो विद द होल टीम ऑलरेडी. सो आई फील like आई एम कमिंग इनटू दैट ग्रुप. They're all very friendly, they're all very for the project. I think they have very high on passion. उन सबको they're all Mohit Suri, they have that passion for him, which is great. I think you need to believe in your director. They all do. So yeah, it's a unique film for all of us, especially for me. You'll see me in a bad avatar, so hopefully I won't disappoint you guys.
It's so difficult to imagine you in a bad avatar. I mean, even knowing how you are also in real life.
That's the challenge, and Mohit Suri's got it up, and we'll probably hopefully have a good product.
तो डरावने लगने वाले हैं.
डरावने बुरा. It's actually essentially it's a love story. It's a very angst dark love story. So hopefully on basis of that, जितना requirement है of being dark or being bad, yeah, we'll have all of that. So it's a mixture of a lot of things.
How do you react when you read Varun's affair stories? I mean, how he's very cool about it. He says now he's kind of used to it. But how do you react to it?
Well, I think exactly. So you have to be cool about it. I think Varun's a cool guy and he takes everything lightly. He doesn't get serious about stuff and he doesn't get upset about it. So I think that's what I like about him, and he takes it in a positive stride. And as I said, we have that friendship, we have that bonding. I know Varun for much longer than Alia, and it'll always remain the same. I think the emotional connect you have for your first film, all of us being nervous at the same time, all of us waiting for our first screening and first shot. So we've all gone through that together. So I think वो कभी जाएगा नहीं.
बिल्कुल. Now to end it, अगर आज आपको चूज़ करना है किसी भी डायरेक्टर के बीच में, हमसे आपको काफ़ी ऑफर्स मिलते रहते हैं, तो मतलब आप करण जौहर के लिए आज भी सब बाकी छोड़ देंगे?
Well, of course, I think Karan Johar has given us everything, at least all three of us. He's given us whatever we have today. Everything is all of this that I'm talking to you today, doing all these events is all thanks to him. So, of course, I think he comes first and he's a great guy. He's not even, he doesn't make you feel that he's given you so much and he's done such a big favor. He could have chosen anybody in the industry. But it was our good luck that he chose all three of us. So, of course, yeah, Karan comes first, yeah, hands down.
Well, there you are. Now you know the short's success to being Siddharth Malhotra and how you can look cool like him. Thank you so much, Siddharth, to run Chatraj with camera person Manjeet. So.